Ladies and lads, it is snowing, and for someone that has one of these, you already know what time it is. Thanks to one of my friends that I call engineer, because he's an engineer, he showed me a few spots where I can have fun and practice. And I've always wanted to do some stunt driving, or at least be able to drift and do those crazy things that you always see in movies and stuff. And we are about to do that. So the goal for today is to start easy. I want to be able to pretty easily do a donut around, a pretty tight donut around one pole. And then after that, I'll try to link up a figure eight between this pole and that one over there. You can see I've already tried it, because when we got here, I tried with him in the car. It was pretty fun. It was way harder than I thought. Doing a donut in theory is pretty easy, especially if you play video games. But with snow like this, not so much. So I'm gonna be starting with the donut and then the figure eight. Let's do this.
Oh, holy moly! Oh, holy crap! Oh, I was this close! Holy crap! Okay, we are going to. I was going to try to do the figure eight thing, but for now, let's start with the donuts, people. Oh my god! Oh, okay. I'm trying not to get to the red line, so that's why I'm not like mashing on the throttle all the time. Okay. Let's try over there. The surface goes a little bit down, so it's a bit weird when you go here. Let's try this again. Yeah, it's really weird. Okay, let me try to use brakes now. Now I'm going to try to do a wider circle. Oh, hold on. Much better. Okay, let's try it over there. Wow. Here is way more challenging because it's going downward. Let me put you on a tripod and let's have some shots from the outside. Use the clutch there, it helped. Yeah, it's getting kind of hard with all the tracks and how uneven everything is. Man, this stuff is way harder than it looks, especially on with a ton of snow like this. Okay, let's get to another spot. Someone already played here too. I see you, whoever this was. Holy moly, there's a lot of snow. Okay, so let's try to do the figure 8, transitioning from doing a donut on this into an imaginary pole on that side and coming back. Let's go. Okay, so how do I okay, much better. Oh, you have to keep the momentum, eh? This guy is here for fun too. Not bad, people, right? Not bad. That was not bad. I kept pretty much the same route. It wasn't too bad. I don't know, like, here's the thing. I'm doing this without necessarily the help of anyone, so trying to figure it out on my own, which is not necessarily the ideal way to do it, but I'm not trying to do this to be a professional. I'm just trying to have some fun here. So Not too bad. No, I messed up there. All right, let's do this. Yeah, the tracks are starting to affect how all this goes. Okay, I think I had enough fun on this side. Can I do it on this side? I got an idea, people. We're gonna use this. Come with me. Right over here. All right, that is gonna be our second pole, and we're gonna try this again. That's way tighter than the other one. Now try to... Yes, that's it. Just the tracks messed me up a bit. I messed up. I tried to brake a bit, but that didn't help. Sorry, let me put this back. Oh, I got like this. Let's do it again. Nah, I messed it up. Okay. Let me try this side then. Yeah, the tracks are starting to on this one, the track are messing me up way more than the previous one. Yeah, big time. Big time. Let me try to talk to this guy. I wonder what he's doing. Hey, what's up, man? What are you doing here?
Huh?
What are you doing here?
The car overheated.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because I've been doing it for like there's too much snow here. It doesn't really work, but like
Yeah.
more than less solid works.
Okay.
I had an old car, the Jeep, right? that worked a lot more better than that. So it's this front wheel drive works all like Pretty much like you did right there with the with the Jeep, but now with this it doesn't work.
Ah, yeah, CBO's front wheel drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm just letting it cool a little, and maybe I'll ride home after that.
All right, have fun, man.
Thank you, man.
Yep, having fun just like me. And I think I might call it a night because I'm starting to smell a bit of the tires. Just a bit. Everything seems to be okay-ish. So now, before I go home, I need to wash the car and remove all that ice before it freezes. So let's go to the car wash. To be honest, the car is not really dirty. It's just a ton of snow. So all I have to do is remove the snow and we're all good. Yeah, we have some dirt spots over here and there, but it's nothing crazy as slush or something. So I'm not gonna go as detailed as I usually do. I'm just gonna go for a quick one and should be good to go. And just like that, all cleaned. Didn't need to do much, to be honest. This was a very fun night. Very first fun in the snow with the WRX.
And definitely not the last.